Hi students, today we are going to be working on following two-step directions. Miss S is going to complete the activity and then she wants you to complete the activity on your own. Okay, first let's take a peek. Our activity is going to take place, or we are going to be working with a picture of a classroom. So let's take a closer look at the classroom picture. It looks like over here we have a window with a curtain, and there is a bookshelf that have flower pots and books on the shelf, and there's even a plant on the top. Next to the bookshelf is an easel. Then there is the door to the classroom. And when there are two clocks on the wall, a large clock and a small clock. Also, there's a window on the wall. Below the window is a teacher's desk. On the desk, we see some books, an apple, and two pencils. Next to the desk is a plant in a flower pot. We also see two rugs or carpets here on the ground. One is small and then one is large. The large rug has two bean bags on it, okay? And next to one of the bean bags is a backpack. In the classroom, we also see one large or big garbage can, trash can, and we also see one small trash or garbage can as well, okay? There are three desks. One of the desks has a chair, the other two do not. And then if you notice, one of the desks also has a box of tissue on top of it. Okay, so now to start out for you, the first thing I'm going to want you to do is to write your name. So I'm going to pick, let's see, I'm going to pick green because green's my favorite color, and I'm going to write my name up here in the top. Now you're not going to be writing Miss S, you are going to be writing your own name. Okay, all right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the first direction. Let's see if we can do this together. The first direction says, color one beanbag red, then draw an X on the small clock. So I have to make sure, let's see, that I can make this red. So I got to color one beanbag red, which I'm going to do right now. And then I have to put an X on the small clock. Okay. All right. There we go. So one of the beanbags is red and there's an X on the small clock. Then we can move to the next direction. Circle the small trash can, then color the window over the desk yellow. This is the large trash can, so I'm going to go to the small one and see if I can circle it. All right. And then I need to color the window above the desk yellow. So this is what I'm doing right now. Okay. A lot of times what I like to do is I like to go back and check that I followed the direction correctly. I can go back and read. Look at circle a small trash can. Did I do that? Yes. And then color the window over the desk yellow. I did that as well. All right. Then I know I can move on to the third direction. The third direction says draw an X on the plant on the bookshelf. Then color the desk with the chair brown. So I'm not going to put an X here on the plant by the desk. Instead, it said the one on the bookshelf. So I'm going to put a nice X over the plant on the bookshelf. And then I'm going to color the desk with a chair brown. All right, let's read that direction to make sure that it happened. Draw an X on the plant on the bookshelf. Check. And then right here, color the desk with a chair brown. And we did that. Perfect. Good work. All right, the next direction says, circle the tissues, then color the easel orange. So first thing I'm going to do is circle the tissues. Bloop. And there we have a circle around the tissues. And then we need to color the easel orange. So I'm going to find an orange color. And then I'm going to color that easel orange. Perfect. Now let's double check. Did I circle the tissues? Yes. Did I color the easel orange? Yes. Check. Good work. We can move on to the next direction. The next direction says, color the books on the shelf red, then circle the backpack. So I'm going to go find my red color. Again, I'm going to color in the books on the shelf red. I'm not going to color the books on the desk. All right. Now the next part of the direction, oops, and this was supposed to stay orange. Oop, there. Now the next part of the direction says circle the backpack. So I'm going to find the backpack and I'm going to draw also a nice circle around that backpack. Perfect. Okay, so let's double check. Did I color the books on the shelf red? Yes. Did I circle the backpack? Yes. So then I get to move on. Now we only have 3 more directions to go. All right, this next direction we have, it says draw an X on the big clock, then color one desk blue. So I'm going to find the big clock. I'm going to draw an X there. And then it wants me also to color one of the desks blue. So I'm going to make sure that I can pick out a nice blue color. And I'm going to color it in blue. All right. Okay, so let's double check. Did I draw an X on the big clock? Yes, I did. Did I color one of the desks blue? Yes, I did. We can move on to the next direction. This one says, color the small rug green, then color the door orange. So green is my favorite color. I'm going to pick out a green and I'm going to color the small rug green right here. And then it also says to color the door orange. So I'm going to pick out an orange and then I am going to be coloring in this door. All right, and then the door matches the easel. And actually, sorry, this was supposed to stay green. There. So now, if we look, did I color the small rug green? Yes, I did. Did I color the door orange? Yes, I did. All right. Now this is our last direction, okay? Let's see. It says, circle the plant by the teacher's desk. Then color both bean bags purple. So here I'm going to circle the plant by the teacher's desk because it's by the desk, not the bookshelf, right? And then I'm going to go up here to purple and see if I can, oops, and we're going to leave that. See if I can pick out a purple. And now it says to color both of the bean bags. And now it looks like one of the bean bags has already been colored in red, so we'll just put a little bit of purple over that. Whoopsies. So now it's purple and red. All right. And then that was our last direction. So look at that. Our classroom looks complete. Now I'm going to give you the same picture and I want to see that you can follow the directions. You can use all of your art tools that are on Seesaw to draw on the picture or the classroom picture that I give you. Okay? I look forward to seeing your creations and Giga Wabaman. We'll see you next week.